Hey guys, Dad's Garage HD. I'm Ironhead. Just wanted to hop on here real quick and share something with you. I added a tool to the shop. You know, you might recall a video about adding the motorcycle lift. Well, we've got one more tool that I've encountered a few times that I needed it really bad. So here it is: Titanium Unlimited 200. This thing comes with TIG, MIG, and stick capabilities. It's a fantastic starter unit and small enough that it accommodates any shop. So just something to think about. I've already fixed my wife's kickstand, welded up a buddy's blinker mount. So two jobs already down in the books. Harley shop would have probably cost $500 for both of those. Maybe less, but close. This thing right here has almost paid for itself. And then another job or two, and I can pay for all the consumables and everything that goes with it. If you want to add a tool to your shop like I did, the Titanium Unlimited 200, MIG, TIG, and stick capabilities. It's powered by 110 and also 240. So I wired up a 240 plug for mine just to be safe. Don't worry, it's got an adapter. You can plug it into your regular receptacle and it runs pretty smooth for thinner metals. Now, the only thing that you would give up, of course, is a duty cycle. So you couldn't weld as long with that, but little jobs like we're doing in the motorcycle shops and repairs here at home, little odd and ends jobs, this is going to work just fine. So if you're in the market, Titanium Unlimited 200, Harbor Freight. Until next time, stay safe.